Yes, so my people, I say another better good morning to honor. My own name na Papa Jojo. Any other Papa Jojo na counterfeit. And don't forget to say this special program where you watch this morning for this episode, Good Morning Nigeria, they come on top your screen from channel 195 Wazobia TV. And meanwhile, well, I just want to let you know that this morning we go on the ground floor program for your apes and the high level stretch program. This one a double combination. And wait till this one maybe say, as we take our top our stand, now so we go on the ground level to work and out for the apes. There are some programs where we go need to combine together. We say it might not ever go into the high level of sit-ups, but now program we say as you follow up, you go help you meet up the demand for your apes. So you just need to go the way we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. See the way they like to go. As you watch me and my guest, where they go with me. If you just have look the way Queen they go, you'll see say she done already there on eye level. She done already there on eye mood. And you go see say the way she even stretch more better than me. To do it, to do I say she ready to meet up the demand. Where would they go this morning? 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this one at the down rock road movement where you can. 4. See the way they go. Your back with the rock. Like that. 6. You're falling up. 7. Your back. Now you go to rock. Then 8. Then this one. You're going to need to stretch down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Now see this one. You go cross one, come back. Then you go stretch this one, go forward. Then see your hand, your elbow point need to balance up with your flexed knee. 1, 2. Yes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. You go return. As you don't do the right side, then see the way you go pull your butt up. This one go help you stretch hard your hands. Then you go feel out from the shoulder point with your count. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you go hold your stomach tight.
8, 1.
You go hold your stomach tight. To my view house where they have there with the watchers. If you look my guest, you go need to pin your stomach tight. Then you go feel the reflection from the back thighs. Everything go there firm. Then if you look the shoulder point straight down to the wrist point, everything go there firm, tight.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you go lift your weight forward. Then you go stretch out the right. Because we don't do it from the left side, so we need to balance up the equation with your count.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To my viewers, wait there out there with the watchers. If you look this point, the way she flex in, you'll see say she go feel the stretch away, and the reflection will come up from the waistline. Then if you look the back leg, everything go there firm, tight. So with this kind of program, as you follow up, you're going to feel the reflection straight direct from your waistline, from the hips, from the back thighs, and straight away. 6, 7, then 8. Then you go stretch again. 1, 2, 3. This one are only 8. You they count.
6,
7, then 8. Now rock your weight forward. Then see your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you go change over. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. You come up. My people, I really want to appreciate you now for this special time when I don't spend with us. My own name is Papa Jojo. Don't forget that one. And I'll continue to tell you. And don't forget this special episode for this today. Come up to your screen or to your TV surface from channel 195 Wazobia TV. And on top start time. On top start time. Until next time, don't forget my own name remain Papa Jojo. See you. Catch the best.
If you know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.